Good morning, y'all. Good morning. It's early morning right now and I'm so excited. I haven't driven Nelson in a few days because I took up some things and you know, my bumper was off, it was dragging, so I haven't driven my car in like a few days and I'm so excited because I'm gonna drive him today. Whoa, Nelson looks so cool. He looks so amazing. I can't wait. You guys should see the inside of it. Here, let me go ahead and show you guys. Wow. Woo. Nelson got a new body. Nelson got new seats. And then I'm gonna go ahead and get a new steering wheel today. And he got new contacts, as you can see here. Move that bus! Guys, I have to be honest, I'm not used to it. I'm not used to these new seats. I need to get some harnesses. This is so weird. I'm like not used to it. But yeah, hop in, let's go. We're going shopping. What do you guys think about this steering wheel here? I kind of like it. I mean, this is pretty much what I wanted. Something simple, all black. Probably just put a sticker on this. All right, so this is the one I'm gonna get. Woo! Cool. All right, so with this, I'm gonna get some little screws, some little gold screws. All right, guys, come on, let's go. Nelson, look at what I got here. I think he loves it. What a reaction. What a reaction. Just got home, guys. Got my steering wheel over here. I think I'm just gonna leave my steering wheel and the hub here, and then in a little bit I'll come back and bring my car into the garage. So I'm in my garage now, and in order for me to take off the steering wheel, I need, oh my god, my hair, don't look at me, don't look at me, don't look at me. Yeah. In order for me to take off the steering wheel, I need to get the specific tool that I don't have, unfortunately, and ew, I don't have this specific tool. I need to go buy it. Maybe AutoZone has it. I'm pretty sure they have it. So that's what we're about to do right now because, you know, I don't have that freaking tool. I only have like the basic ass tool. Let's go, guys. Bad news, guys. Bad freaking news. Freaking AutoZone. You know how I got the little bits, the torque bits from AutoZone? Yeah, well, they did not fit. It wasn't the right one, so now I gotta return it because they didn't have the ones with the hole in the middle. I'm gonna go return that, and then I'm gonna go to O'Reilly because I called them, I checked that they had it, and I'm gonna get the bits from there. But I'm gonna return this for now, go over there, come back, and get started once again for the 100th time. Just got back from O'Reilly and I got myself some gummy worms. O'Reilly is way better than AutoZone, hands down. Don't at me. I'm like not even kidding. Watch me go to AutoZone tomorrow and let's take off the steering wheel. Let's get it. All right, so here's Nelson's little steering wheel. Look how rusty he is. Got some gold hardware, and of course I wanted to get it gold because I got gold wheels, and you know, it just got a match. Shout out to USA Performance because they hooked it up. So do you want to give it Instagram a shout out?
Fuck no.
Anyways, guys, we're almost done, huh babe?
Yep.
Yup. Oh my god. The quality looks horrible. It looks like I'm shooting out of looks like I'm filming with a potato, but I'm actually filming with my camera. But look at it. I can't wait to give you guys my POV in a little bit. Whoa. It looks bad. Bad bougie. Whoa, now this is crazy cool. Uh-oh. Airbag lights on. What does that mean, guys? What does that mean? Can we just appreciate this right here? The fact that I filled up. I never fill up. There's two types of people. There's the type of people that like fill up and never go down below this line right here. Okay, so I just want to put, I don't know why, but I just want to say this. I'm not the type of person that gets like my nails done all the time. Like it's rare when I get my nails done because I'm not used to getting my nails done, okay? Like, I don't know. I love how it looks, but I'm not the type of person that gets my nails done all the time. So I don't know why, but I've been thinking thinking about just getting my nails done for the specific photo that I want to take of my steering wheel with my nails. Like, I don't know why. It's dumb. It's really dumb, but I just want to do it. I don't know why. So it'll be like this, and then my nails are right here, and then be like, oh, my nails. Just kidding. You know, like those memes where the people, like girls have their nails and they're like, oh, I got my nails did, and then they have it right here. Well, basically I want to take one of those, but like with my new steering wheel. What is up? All right, guys. So, all right, I'm gonna head out. God damn, there's a bunch of birds outside. It's like every time I vlog, like birds just want to freaking pass by and she. I put the steering wheel on already and it looks freaking beautiful. I love it because it's way smaller, it's more comfortable, it's like so soft and smooth, and I only drove it to move it out of the driveway. Like I parked it outside, but I haven't really tested it out, so I'm gonna go ahead and test out the waters, you know, put my feet in the water. Just kidding. Let's freaking go. Let's go. I'll see you guys in the car. Come on, open. Ah, it takes a while, but you know. Ooh, okay. What you guys think? My new seats, if you guys saw my last video. In my last video. Are you guys ready to see a steering wheel? Beautiful, isn't it? It's not like the most expensive steering wheel. It's like, I don't know, something simple, and I don't know, I love it. I like it. What do you guys think? I asked everybody, I said, what kind of steering wheel should I get? And like nobody answered, so I just decided to get this one. I don't know, I don't like when the shows, but oh my god, I haven't driven it, so it's like so cool. Okay. Whoa, this is like, I'm not used to it. I'm not used to it. And you know why too? Whoa. Now this is awesome. I'm not used to it because I have like these seats in. Hold up. Okay, let's go. Should I do a little drift? I did one earlier. I'll do a little drift. I'll show you guys a video right now. Anyways, guys, this feels so weird. Like, it's so small compared to the other one. I feel like I could see way more because the steering wheel was like up to here. Well, yeah, I don't know, but I really like it. As you guys can see, I don't have the cap here. It's because it was really ugly. It was the energy cap, and I just decided not to have it on because to me personally, I didn't like how it looked. I thought it looked like a damn freaking coupon. I don't know, I didn't like it. And okay, but can you guys see this? Look at this. I freaking, for the first time in forever, guys, I filled up my gas tank. I was like, you know what? I was feeling feisty. I was like, you know what? I'm about to fill up my whole gas tank. I don't usually do that because I don't know why. I'm like so used to putting in like 20 bucks every time. So I'm literally at the gas station like every other week. And then this time I was like, you know what? Why am I doing that? I was like, why am I going to the gas station every freaking week when I can just go once every like 2 weeks or something, you know? So I decided to fill up my gas tank and yeah, so. What do you guys think though? You guys like it? I was thinking about customizing it. You know, maybe putting my own little logo in here, like either my name, Emma Diviana, in here, like a little sticker looking thing, or I might just, damn, that sun is bright as hell. You can't see the little mirror anymore, and I don't like that. I feel so. Oh guys, guess what? How could I forget? Guess the frick what? So February 9th, guys, save the date. February 9th, I will be attending, well, not just I, but me and Nelson will be we will be attendees at Slammed Enough on February 9th, and I couldn't be any more happy because I swear to you guys, I have always wanted to be in a car show. Like, I'm not even kidding. I have always wanted wanted to be in one. So like this is gonna be my first time ever being in an actual show, and I'm in the upperclassmen. I don't know what, but it's the upperclassmen, and I'm gonna be inside. My announcement is gonna be showcased inside, and I'm like so freaking happy because it's gonna be my first time ever being in a show, you know. And I feel like I was so scared because I felt like Nelson wasn't gonna be approved because, you know, he's not all that. I feel like to me he's not all that compared to those other cars where they're like freaking, I don't know, you guys seen them, they look freaking amazing. But I was like, you know what, I'm gonna just go ahead and try it out. And look at me, I'm gonna be a freaking attending, and I feel like this is so cool because like I said, I've always wanted to be in one, and I'm finally, hold on, I was like, what's that noise? And I'm finally gonna be in one. And if you guys are going, then hopefully I can see you guys. Well, I hope to meet you guys, you know, on February 9th. Yeah, like it's gonna be freaking amazing. There's honestly a lot of work done that I have to do to Nelson still, so he's not like 100% ready, but you know, I'm just gonna go have a good time. And I know they're gonna be giving out awards, but like honestly, I'm not even gonna look forward for an award because I feel like it's not something that I'm going there for, you know. It's just to have a good time, meet you guys, just like see other cars. That's gonna be freaking fun. And yeah, so like at first I wanted Nelson to be a show car, right? Like when I first got Nelson, I was debating whether to have him like as a drift car or a race car or a show car. And I'm like really undecisive, right? So I'm really indecisive. I was like, I don't know what to do. So at first I just decided to have him as a show car, kind of, not really. So I didn't really put anything. Come on, so freaking slow. At first I wanted him as a show car, so I would try to work on the outside of him, you know, like the appearance and, you know, the exterior. And then now I decided, you know, I might have him as a freaking drift car. But then I started not really racing, but I've been like trying to race people and stuff, and honestly it's kind of fun. So I kind of want to just like, bro, I'm like, am I seeing a freaking Z behind me? No. Yeah, so I was debating whether to make him like a show car and whatnot, and now I don't know, so I'm thinking I might like swap the engine pretty soon. Well, not pretty soon, but it's like a future plan of mine. I'm gonna want to swap the engine and make them a little bit more faster because I wasn't really worried about that. I've never really been like a racer person. Like, that sounds really dumb. A racer person, that sounds really dumb. But I've never been into like racing and stuff. Oh, what kind of car was that? So like now I'm like really into that and stuff. I'm like into a lot of things, like into drifting. I want my car to be everything. I just want my car to be a fun car. What the fudge? There's so much freaking traffic. See, that's what happens when you live in LA, guys. You get stuck with traffic. That's crazy. I was not expecting this. What time is it? I think it's like 5 o'clock right now.
Same shit, same shooters. Different stick, on game.
Oh, by the way, guys, thank you so much for 10.4 subscribers. I really appreciate it. We're almost at 11K. Can you guys believe? So thank you guys for that. Post notification shout out goes to... I'm gonna give out 2. Okay. Post notification shout out goes to SVG, S Diego, and Black Wolf 0703. Thank you guys so much for turning on your post notification bell and being the first to comment. And you know what? I'm gonna just throw it in here. Thank you so much, Chris YT, for being one of the first ones. I really appreciate you guys being on top of it. You guys are the best. Every one of you guys is the best. I really appreciate you guys even trying to be the first to comment. It just shows you guys' support, and I love that. And I just want to say that I really appreciate it. Thank you guys so much. I hope you guys have a great day. Peace out, guys. Peace out. Have a good day.
I'm a demonstrator.